Okay, so one of the things that's really cool about these twinkly lights is I kind of just threw them up there. I didn't just throw them up there haphazardly, but you can arrange them afterwards on the app, group everything, and what I'm gonna do is I have gone through and I called each part of my tunnel. I start out with the arch group, which is the main frame of the tunnel. Okay, so everything's off right now except the tree. Find the tree. Living tree. Not sure why the tree's not responding. Might have sketchy Wi-Fi going on out here. Anyway, back to the tunnel. So tunnel construction, I've got the arch group, which are the main overhead archways. So you can turn those on and off, and you can individually set these are the two different light circuits that are on here in this particular group. Tunnel group. So I've got this tunnel as the arch group, and then if I want to just light up one side of it, I got the back side. And if I want to light up just the other side, front side, and then I did, I think one, maybe two strands that I have grouped on the top. Just figured you might be in a situation where you want to throw some different colors or different patterns on one side versus the other. So doing like a ground up build. First we built the arches. And then I started stringing along this backside group. And then the top. Worked my way over the top, tripped and fell over the ladder a couple of times. This is always the fun part. I gotta do some touch up. I might throw an extra strand up there to cover up all these holes. I wanted this just to be completely covered in lights. And then onto the front side that faces the street. And you can see here how this just happens to be on a different pattern, but it's kind of cool because you can set it up to have a pattern on one side or one color, a different color. The possibilities are infinite. And yeah, as you can see, I still got the tree over here. I actually never took these down from last year. I just bundled them up, and the tree is probably growing into the tree a little bit. But yeah, the tree is a work in progress. Alright, so what else can we do with these things? Oh yeah, you can so the top group, I'm going to make the top group I'll give it this slime, and there's a bunch of different patterns and colors that you can download. And then go back, playlists, get back to my group. So let's change the back side. Let's pick something cool for this. When you first group it, it takes it a minute to compile the effects. I guess it's because it has to link them to all of the different strands and get them in sync. But boom, and go like a candy cane. And you can actually, I haven't done it yet, but you can map everything out. Oh, this is the different effects. You can play animations on these things, write text. It's pretty insane. Mapping. So let's try mapping this before my hands freeze. I always do advanced mapping. You can take multiple images. Although I don't know what's going on with that. Let's try easy mapping. Just to give you an example of what it does. Oh, I'll shoot another video on that when my hands are not about to freeze. Anywho. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, I think I got some Wi-Fi issues right now, which is why these are not updating. The nice thing is you can get everything programmed into them, and it's not affected by Wi-Fi. Like, it's not updating, but everything is still stored in there, and they're still working without Wi-Fi, so that's not so bad. Try switching to a different group. Front. Maybe it's just way too cold out here and nothing wants to work. I'm gonna go inside. Jethro. Right after we retrieve the dog. Jethro, inside. Let's go, bud.